Samsung's next flagship lineup, the Galaxy S26 series, is shaping up to be something truly impressive. And the latest leaks suggest a major change that could make a real difference, especially for photography lovers. According to a well-known tipster, Samsung is going all out this time. Instead of keeping the best memory only for the Ultra model, the company will give all Galaxy S26 phones, including the regular S26 and S26 Plus, the same faster LPDDR5X RAM. Now, let's break down what that means and why it matters. The new LPDDR5X RAM comes with a bandwidth of 10.7 gigabits per second. That's about 25% faster than the memory used in the Galaxy S25 series, which topped out at 8.7 gigabits per second. In simple terms, this speed upgrade means your phone can process data much faster, and that affects almost everything from multitasking to gaming to, most importantly, camera performance. Previously, leaks suggested only the Galaxy S26 Ultra would get this faster RAM. But the latest information says otherwise. Samsung is reportedly bringing this same high-speed memory to the entire lineup, Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, and S26 Ultra alike. That's a big move, and it shows that Samsung wants every buyer, no matter which model they choose, to experience flagship-level performance. Even more interestingly, the base memory capacity is said to start from 12 gigabytes of RAM. That's a strong upgrade, especially when many phones in the same price range still begin at 8 gigabytes. But let's talk about where you'll really feel this improvement: the camera. The same tipster claims that this faster memory will bring several noticeable upgrades to the photography and video experience. Here's how. With higher bandwidth memory, your phone's processor can handle camera data more efficiently. That means faster switching between different lenses, like going from wide to telephoto or ultra-wide without any lag. You'll also see a steadier frame rate in the preview window, which means when you're lining up your shot, everything looks smoother and more stable. Image processing will also be faster, so the time between taking a picture and seeing the final result will shrink. Another big advantage? Better accuracy with moving subjects. When taking portrait photos, the camera often struggles with subjects in motion. Think kids, pets, or street photography. The faster RAM reduces those motion errors, making portraits sharper and more reliable. And when it comes to video recording, the benefits continue. You can expect fewer frame drops, meaning smoother footage even in challenging conditions. The memory upgrade doesn't just improve performance, it also makes the phone more efficient. Because the LPDDR5X RAM consumes less power, the Galaxy S26 models should deliver better battery life during heavy tasks like shooting 4K video or gaming. Plus, the improved thermal efficiency means the phones will stay cooler for longer, even when pushed to their limits. This upgrade might sound small on paper, just faster memory, but in real-world use, it could transform the entire user experience. Faster processing, smoother camera performance, less heat, and better energy management. It's the kind of foundational improvement that touches every part of the phone. If this leak is accurate, Samsung's Galaxy S26 series could be one of the most balanced flagship lineups we've seen from the company in years. Every model, not just the Ultra, will deliver top-tier performance, making it harder for buyers to feel like they're missing out by not choosing the most expensive variant. And with a minimum of 12 gigabytes of RAM and the fastest memory currently in mass production, the Galaxy S26 series seems ready to take on anything competitors like Apple or Google bring to the table next year. So while we still have to wait for Samsung's official announcement, one thing's clear: the Galaxy S26 series isn't just getting faster, it's getting smarter, cooler, and far more capable behind the scenes. This could easily be the performance leap that makes the Galaxy S26 lineup stand out, not just for its design or cameras, but for how seamlessly it handles everything you throw at it.